Hello, my name is Rutaisire Reverien. I'm one of our Moodlers we have on this MOOC. I'm working for the University of Rwanda here at Kigali, and I have been very excited taking this MOOC. And this afternoon, I was watching, the video posted by our Moodler Wali from Morocco, and it was very interesting for me. He was showing how to use the rich editor for Moodle using the equations. It means that how we can use the equations on this Moodle. And I had the idea that I can play with so that I can exercise myself when using this one. I'm giving physics, and sometimes when reaching a chapter in which I have some equations, it's very good, it's very nice to design those equations. And this afternoon I saw that when, for example, I'm drawing those equations, I can use the rich editor of this model. So let's go. I remember that when I'm teaching the laws of motion, those laws are from the Isaac Newton, and the first law, for example, is saying that every object continues in its state of rest or of uniform velocity in a straight line as long as no net force acts on it. It means that on the blackboard, I have to write that if the sum of all external forces is 0. So I have to design it. It means that here I will use this icon. I will insert a math equation here, and I will look for the summation, the icon, the button for summation, and I will choose this one like this. You can see that one. It means that all external forces, and here it means that I have to look for the subscript, which is let me choose this one. For example, I, it means that many, and the I is from equals 1, 2, 3, and so on. It means that here we can go from 1 to n, and here we have to equalize with 0. See this one. So I have to hit OK. I click on OK, and I will get my equation on this one. Thank you very much. And I think that even if I want to add more equations like this one, it means that we know that F, the force exactly on an object equals its mass times its acceleration. It means that I can use the equation here, the equation editor, to write this one. It means that it will be F equals mass, and I have to look for sometimes I have to look for multiplication. I have this one. I have this symbol of multiplication, and I have to look for an acceleration. In terms of vector, this F, for example, can be written as this one is F with an arrow, and A here is an A with an arrow. No, Yes. It means that I have to write this one. It will be A inside. And I click OK so that I can have it. Thank you very much for watching this video. And I thank you very much. And I thank Dr. Neri for her help.